welcome to the next tutorial of react.js. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to set up the development environment for react.js app development. So for that, you will require some of these softwares, and one of them is NodeJS. NodeJS is required to create the local server. After that, you can check the npm version, that is node package version, which is installed with Node.js. Also, you can check the node version with node-v command. And after that, for editing of your code or writing your code, you will require an IDE, that is Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code is the required IDE for that. So let's start one by one. So first, you can directly search for Node.js and you will land up on the Node.js official website, and that is nodejs.org. So here you can find the two options. First is the most recommended for most users, and second one is the latest version. So you can choose any of these. So I would prefer the stable version. So once I click here, so it will start the download. After that, you can search for VS Code, and this is the first link that appears, and you can click on that and just click on the download button. So it will start the download automatically. Right. So these are the two things. So my Node.js is ready to install. So I'll just click on that. It will open the common wizard for installation. Just need to select the appropriate option, and you can just click on the next button like this, and it will start the complete download. The installation will get completed. So after that, by the time VS Code is the most widely used IDE for web development, you can start with Angular as well as for React development as well. So once your Node.js is installed, you can open the command prompt using Windows and R. That is the shortcut for opening the command prompt. Actually, you can write cmd in that, and before that the node installation is finished. Okay, so now we will check the version of node. So Windows plus R and then cmd, and here you can find out the node version using this command node-v. So this is the current version that I just installed. After that, npm stands for node package manager. npm-v is the next command. Right. So likewise, node is already installed and npm is also installed. Alright. So after that, VS Code will get downloaded, and that is also very simple. You can open the installation wizard and just you have to move forward, and it will get downloaded. So once it is downloaded, you can create your first application using this npx create -react -app, and the name of your application, that is my app. So you just have to enter it, and it will start the creation of the application. So this will take some time, and it will create the complete folder structure for you. Alright, so you have to wait for some time, and after see the download is complete, so I can directly install it using the same method. Alright, so this is it. So you can try it out. If you face any difficulty, you can put it in the comment section. Alright, thank you so much guys. Keep learning.